So the first thing I want to do is I've got a predefined geometry throughout this entire demonstration. So here, we've got a sketch that is showing up in the middle of the part. And what I would like to do is just build an area out here on the handle that's going to represent a hand grip or just another area to be able to hold onto the model. So to do this, the first thing I need to do is I'm going to create the depth of that. So I'm just going to do an offset surface. And the offset surface is going to allow us to have the total depth or the total extrusion of the actual grip area that we're going to be working with. So you'll notice that I have the nice offset surface, but then I have this planar kind of 2D sketch. So we need to project that. And so if I select my sketch, basically tell SolidEdge that I want to go out to this offset surface that we've created, we'll end up with something that's going to look like this. And to clean this particular area up, we'll just go in and do a trim. So the trim command has been in the product for quite a while, so really nothing new here with trim. So we'll just go through a couple of steps to clean up to get to the final look that we're looking for our part model. And then Dan had mentioned reflectivity. I'm working with half of the model, so at any point I can go in and I can turn on the reflectivity and actually see what this entire surface model is going to look like before I go through all of the effort of working, with different areas. So now we need to apply some thickness back into our part model. So I'm going to do this with a ruled surface and just go in and insert some values and basically take all of these edges, and I want to create an offset of 2.5 millimeter distance for those. And so anything that I do to the parent side of the part model over on the right-hand side, you'll notice that it automatically updates the reflective half of our model as well. And so, I like what I have here, so at this point, we'll actually turn this into an entire model itself, or solid body. Just mirror this, and I've got a predefined plane that I want to use to mirror about. And then we want to go in and stitch both of these halves together, because again, at the end of the day, we're looking for just one finished feature that we can add back to our actual jigsaw. And then I'm just going to go and round over some of these sharp edges on our model. So what you'll notice with surfacing inside of ST6 is it's definitely come a long way. It's a lot easier to use than probably in the past your experience with it. And so if we go back to our design body and show the rest of our jigsaw, you'll notice that's going to be our squished area or the extra grip that we want to add to this. So to make it part of the actual model itself, I'm going to do with a